program, we would like to call on Alex Joaquin Pascua, a Math Program Gold awardee, to share with us his closing message, to be followed by Kylie Denise Ballesteros for the closing prayer.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Alex Joaquin Pascua, grade 4 pupil of St. Joseph's Vineyard Montessori School. I have been with Kumon for more than a year, and I can say that I have become the best of who I want to be in many ways. I am always fond of math since first grade, and Kumon really helped me in solving problems like simplifying algebraic expressions and whatnot. I am always doing my best in each sheet that my teacher tasked me to do so. So here comes level ups. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And now, for only studying a year at Kumon, I can proudly say that I am already at level H, learning methods to simplify simultaneous linear equations. And at 3 years advanced on my school level, half close in completing my program. Kumon will do lots of miracles in every dreamer's lives. So to all parents out there, enroll your kids at Kumon Mabini, Santiago. Before ending this speech, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the mentors in Kumon, most especially Teacher Beth and Teacher Jo, for the undying support and guidance. Always remember, studying at Kumon is a beautiful journey towards success.